Welcome to Best Choice. The Best Tractor Sprinkler is probably one of the most versatile and efficient tools you can add to your lawn care arsenal, designed to mimic the gentle, widespread coverage of rain, ensuring your grass and plants receive optimal hydration without the risk of overwatering or soil erosion, making it an indispensable asset for maintaining a lush and healthy garden throughout the seasons. Number 5. Orbit Traveling Tractor Water Sprinkler 58322. Introducing the Orbit Traveling Tractor Water Sprinkler. This innovative device offers hands-free irrigation, moving along your hose path to water your lawn automatically. Crafted with a durable cast-iron body, this watering device is built for longevity. It's designed to withstand frequent use and the elements for years to come. Navigate your yard with ease thanks to its high-traction wheels. It ensures stable movement across the lawn, providing consistent irrigation coverage wherever it goes. Customize your watering with adjustable spray arms and 3-speed settings. Achieve precise watering patterns tailored to the unique needs of your lawn size. Save time and water with smart, intuitive solutions. Enjoy dependable performance that contributes to a greener outdoor space. We stand by its quality with a 6-year limited warranty against defects. You can trust in its dependable performance for your private use. What we like. This sprinkler offers automated, hands-free lawn coverage with a durable cast-iron body. Its 3-speed control allows for precise watering patterns. If you have a large lawn and want a robust, long-lasting solution that requires minimal effort, this is the one for you. What people say. The sprinkler head is adjustable and can cover a wide area. It is easy to set up and use, even for beginners. The durable construction ensures it will last for many seasons. Number 4. Underhill Tracker 2 Lawn Traveling Irrigation System. Introducing the Tracker 2 Irrigation Machine, your solution for watering large areas from half an acre up to 2 acres. It's designed for efficiency and ease of use. Get started in minutes with this commercial quality system. Assembly requires just a single tool, allowing you to water vast spaces like sports fields with minimal effort. Built to last, this sprinkler system features a heavy-duty galvanized steel pull cable with automatic shut-off. A galvanized ground stake ensures it stays securely in place. Achieve a watering diameter of up to 62 feet, depending on your water pressure. It includes a reliable 1-inch brass hose quick connect for seamless attachment. Perfect for areas where underground systems aren't feasible. It's ideal for watering golf greens, sports fields, cemeteries, and other large recreational or agricultural spaces. This machine comes equipped with a part-circle brass impact sprinkler, featuring a 1/4-inch nozzle for effective lawn coverage. What we like. This system is designed for watering large areas, from 1 to 2 acres, with a commercial-grade brass impact sprinkler. It's easy to set up and can cover fields in just 2 passes. If you need to water sports fields, golf greens, or other extensive areas efficiently, this is a great choice. What people say. The sprinkler is easy to set up and adjust. It covers a large area effectively, watering my entire lawn evenly. The oscillating feature allows for precise control over the watering pattern. Number 3. Fiskars Garden Watering Motor Assembly Replacement. Introducing the Fiskars Garden Watering Motor Assembly Replacement. This part is designed to restore your traveling sprinkler to its optimal performance. It features 2 distinct motor speeds, high and low. This allows you to customize the watering pattern to your specific lawn needs. On high power, it travels about 37 feet per hour. This setting is ideal for a lighter water application across a wider area. Switch to low power, and it moves at 21 feet per hour. This setting delivers a more concentrated water application, perfect for targeted watering. With these adjustable speeds, you can ensure efficient and effective lawn care. Keep your garden healthy with precise watering. What we like. This replacement motor assembly offers 2 distinct speeds for varied water application rates. It allows for approximately 37 feet per hour on high and 21 feet per hour on low. If your existing traveling sprinkler's motor is failing and you're looking for an affordable way to restore its functionality, this is a suitable option. What people say. The sprinkler head is adjustable and can cover a wide area. It is easy to set up and use, even for beginners. The durable construction ensures it will last for many seasons. Number 2. Orbit Traveling Sprinkler Motor Assembly. Is your traveling sprinkler not working as it should? You can easily extend its life by replacing the motor assembly. This is a direct replacement motor assembly designed specifically for your traveling sprinkler tractor. It ensures a perfect fit and function. Don't worry about complicated setups. This motor part is designed for easy installation and maintenance, getting you back to watering in no time. This assembly comes complete with wheels, ensuring smooth and effortless movement across your lawn as it waters. Crafted for durability, this motor assembly will provide reliable performance season after season. Keep your lawn perfectly watered with ease. What we like. This part is designed to extend the life of your existing Orbit traveling sprinkler by replacing the motor assembly and wheels. It's simple to install, making maintenance straightforward. If your current Orbit traveling sprinkler needs a new motor and wheels, this is the perfect replacement part to get it back in working order. What people say. This sprinkler is very effective at watering large areas of my lawn. The adjustable spray pattern allows me to customize the watering for different parts of my garden. It's durable and has held up well through several seasons of use. Number 1. Nelson Rain Train Traveling Tractor Lawn Sprinkler T-Parts T. Introducing a durable arm assembly designed for your traveling tractor sprinkler. It ensures consistent performance for your lawn care needs. This part features a T-connector, essential for expanding your sprinkler's reach. It's a vital component for effective watering. Ensure compatibility and quality with this genuine Nelson part. It's made to fit your specific sprinkler model perfectly. Replacing or upgrading your sprinkler is simple with this assembly. Get your lawn watering system back in optimal condition quickly. Keep your lawn healthy and vibrant with the right parts. This assembly is key to maintaining your sprinkler's functionality. What we like. This is a generic arm assembly specifically designed as a replacement part for the Nelson Rain Train Traveling Tractor Lawn Sprinkler. If you own this particular model and need to replace a damaged or worn arm assembly, this part will fit. It's a straightforward solution for restoring your sprinkler's functionality. What people say. The sprinkler head is adjustable and can cover a wide area. It is made of durable metal, so it should last a long time. The oscillating feature allows for even watering across the lawn. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.